What's up guys, Next Tech here, and this is just going to be a really quick video showing you what Google's added to its Google Now feature and Google Voice Actions. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up Google Now. And the first thing I noticed when I pulled it up is they've kind of changed the way the scores appear on my football matches. They now appear, the text looks a bit different here, and the score comes, they used to be side to side and now they're vertical. So not a big deal, but it's a change nonetheless. So let's see what they've added here. If we go down into the settings, we'll hit settings and we'll look at what's new in Google Now. So let me just list off some of the new stuff. They've got events nearby. So I'm guessing if you have searched for events here, showing a list of top events. And if you're nearby them, they will appear as a card. They've also added suggestions to help with research. Now, I don't really know what research means specifically to Google, but it says here, card appears for recently researched topics. So I guess if you research a news article or a topic in the world or a world topic, something like that, it will bring up information that it thinks it finds relevant to you, which it's really cool. It's interesting stuff. Now, another thing that doesn't appear here, and I'm not sure if that's because I'm in the UK, probably is they've added boarding passes from Gmail. So if you get a boarding pass in your Gmail, it'll go ahead and read that, understand it, and put it into your Google Plus card, which is really, really cool. That's really helpful. At the moment, it's only United only. I don't know if that means United States or if that's an airline. I'm not completely sure, but I doubt it will work in the UK. It probably will only work in the US because that's the way things work straight away. We know it has the flight confirmation stuff here. Yeah, they also added a search by camera feature, but I'm going to talk about that in a minute, so I won't say any more. They've added weather at the upcoming travel destination. So if it realizes you're going on holiday or anything like that, it will bring up the weather for that destination, which again, I think is really, really cool. Cool/worrying, Google knows a lot about you now, but it's using the information in a cool way for you, I guess. And lastly, which we saw, but now they've actually specified, is approximate monthly summary of walking and biking, which you can see here, it's activity summary. Basically, it brings up a card showing you how much you've walked and how much you've biked each month. Not the most accurate thing, like last month it said I walked 1 mile, which was absolute crap. But yeah, it's there, and Google Now is getting much better with every update, and they do keep doing big updates with more cards and more stuff. And I use it quite a lot. It's really useful to me. I use it for traffic home, my sports teams all the time because it updates it in real time, which is awesome. I haven't used the movies much. News update, yeah, it's nice. Birthdays, it will now grab birthdays from your Google Plus, which is also a new feature, which is really cool. If you use Google Plus a lot, it will pull up the birthdays from there. So, it's getting really cool, and they keep doing nice added features. So yeah, keep going, Google. Let's go ahead and talk about the Google Voice Action. So they've added a few things in Google Voice here. And the first one is post to Google Plus. So let me go ahead and showcase that for you. See if I can get this right. Post to Google Plus. Hi. Okay, post to Google Class. Probably my English accent, I guess. Post to Google Plus. Hi. There we go. And it comes up, well, it hasn't come up with much really, but if you click it, it comes up with the share, and you can still go ahead and press share. So you still have to click some buttons, but it's there nonetheless. And I did actually do one earlier. Let's try another one. Post to Google Plus. What's going on? And you can see there it says what's going on. But you have to go ahead and, it's not just going to post it, I don't think. So you have to go ahead and click it and then actually click share. So hopefully they'll add that feature where it just goes ahead and posts it. What else they've added? This is a US only feature. I haven't got it to work over here in the UK, but they've added what's this song? And basically you can just say what's this song, and it will go ahead and search the Google Music database for the song, and it should bring up a card telling you what song it is. Basically Shazam or SoundHound, but in Google Now, sorry. So I'll show you how it doesn't work in the UK. What's this song? What's the song? Still, it didn't work. I'll try again. What's this song? And again, it just brings up a definition of what's, this song. So it doesn't work in the UK, which is a little bit annoying, but it's not that bad. The last feature I'm going to talk about here, which I did mention previously, if we go back out and get into Google Plus here, go back down to the settings, it says scan with camera. And it brings up this scan box here where you can, let me just go ahead and grab something to scan. So yeah, I'm back with something to scan. Just bought a PS3 game, so I'm going to go ahead and get that on there. We'll go ahead and take that picture. And you can see it basically uses a picture to search for, and you can see it has got it right. Now, if you don't obviously want to use that button, it can also scan barcodes, and you can get to this really easy just by saying scan barcode. And then it brings up that picture, and you don't just have to use the barcode when it's doing that. You can go ahead and just use your picture, and it will search. So if you're in a museum or anything like that, or anything you just want to search for as a picture, go ahead and say scan barcode, and you can now search it as a picture. So again, a really, really nice added feature from Google. It works really, really well. That's pretty much it, but that was a very big update from Google on Google Now and voice actions. So yeah, keep it up, Google. It's good shit.